This video is weird in its own way, which is why I wanted to make its own video. This is gonna show you what kind of humor my family has. We are just weird. You guys already know I have really off humor. I think the random shit is funny. This right here is a perfect example of how my family operates. Hopefully you guys don't mind. It's standalone vlog. I thought it was really interesting. It's a glimpse into how our family operates, and we just honestly just want to have fun, have a good time with each other. Anyways, enjoy this video, guys. I thought it was kind of funny. Leave in a comment, hit the like button for me, and enjoy. Peace.
Hey, what's up? I'm in my bed, and you're watching the Daily Grind.
You want Peter some Marshall too?
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm running. I see a train moving.
Yes, thank you for the breaking news. Should we check out the weather?
Yes.
All right.
Of course.
Sylvie, please tell us the weather. Over to you.
With the weather forecast, it's hot as shit. Keep your babies inside hydrated. You see her? She's sweating. She's hot. Her face, she's not happy. Help me, help me, help me. She needs some milk. Okay, next scene. Ready? What's the next one? What's the next one? Just for $1 a day, you can help feed this baby. Now please comment your email and your social security card and your account number below.
Mother's maiden name.
Mother's maiden name, father's middle name, and we will get back to you with a thank you card. We thank you.
Look how sad she is. She's hungry.
We're acting, we're good. Okay, ready? Next one. What should we do? Okay. Ready? Sad face, okay? Sad face. Just for $20 a day, you can help get this baby clean. Her mother was a crack addict, and here we are, feeding her water.
Says you're a crack addict.
Feeding her water and helping her survive this heat wave. Whose baby is this?
It's not your baby.
Oh yeah, back on Maury. Wait, Uncle Tom, come here. No. Uncle Tom, come here, Uncle Tom. I need you for this. Come on.
Why? Because he's dark?
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, we're on the Maury show. We're on the Maury show. No, he's. Okay, you too. Come here. Ready? No, he's not.
Shirt off.
No.
Wet beater.
That works.
My sister's unbuttoning you.
I didn't do it.
There's some weird shit. Some weird family stuff going on.
She unbuttoned you pretty fast. She was like, wait, okay, look.
I've been waiting for this.
All jokes. All jokes.
Why is she so good at that?
I know. Okay, go ahead. We are on Maury here. You are not the father. Oh!
Yes!
No, yes you are!
Nope.
Yes you are!
That one means much more.
You
You
see
were in
her
your
nose?
wife beater.
We don't have the same nose.
We don't have the same nose.
Yeah.
Look, she's not dark enough.
I'm light. She has my nose. What are you talking about? This is your baby.
Nah, her eyes aren't. Nah.
She has my eyes.
Fight.
How are you gonna deny your baby?
Fight. Woo!
No, excuse the weapon.
Look at this.
Soft.
Hate those.
So annoying. So annoying. Got anything to say? Look, she's gonna watch back. Oh wait, let's go back to it. Ready? And the paper says, you are the father. I told you! I fucking told you!
The end call. You wanna go?
Where have
It's
you
hot
been?
right here.
I don't understand what you're doing. What's happening now? What can we do with you now? What can we do?
Nos.
Commercial break.
Okay, now let's go back to, hold on. Oh, this is the part on Maury where the dad holds the baby for the first time because he didn't think it was his the whole time, and now she's like, who the hell is this guy? And you're like, I'm so sorry, Tyler. Tell her you're
It's
sad.
still not his baby.
Tell her.
I love you.
That's not
I love you. I love you, pretty. No?
You don't deserve my baby. Give me my baby back. I'm just kidding.
She's staying so calm with you
I'm
already.
just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, what else can we do? What else can we do, huh? Okay, go ahead. Do one.
Improvise.
Improvise. I'm out of ideas. What can I do with the baby? Lost and found. Oh, she's over it.
It's over it.
Are you done?
Say bye, say bye. Good lighting. Let's take some like sick Instagram photos.
Wait, can we?
Go. You boys that have girlfriends, you guys know if you take the wrong picture, she's gonna be mad. No, you take this wrong, she's gonna fucking kill you. How to take Instagram pictures 101. Portrait mode on your iPhone. Teacher. Idea. Oh. 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 You're big hug, big hug, big hug, big hug. Oh, love you. Oh, yeah? Bye. Bye now. You
I
fucked
might
up.
have to break up with him.
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen. Fuck no, you didn't.
When you take photos, there's like candids. But you gotta get the candid when your eyes are open, when your smile's right. And I have braces, so you gotta make sure the braces look good, the hair looks good, the angle looks good, the lighting, the dimensions. It all has to look good.
There's at least 4 good ones in there. At least. Watch. Stay tuned for her Instagram post.
Follow here.
There will be one. At only so good.
She uses none of them. You know how serious this is. This lighting's beautiful. Look, I even look pretty in this lighting. You see this shit? Kinda good. Let me see.
Fire!
Let me see. Hold on. What?
Fire!
That was good.
Fire!
She gave you no credit, bro.
She's a hater.
Hater. I'm gonna go talk to your boyfriend.
He's having some. Hey, stop.
Talk
no,
to your boyfriend. Fuck him up.
no face, no case.
Fuck him
no
up.
face, no case.
Fuck him up. Keys, huh?
Yeah,
Damn. G-Ride from Sacramento. Kia broken windshield, hella dirty.
This is from Chrisman.
Oh.
When we picked Chrisman up from
Did
his
you
car.
punch it?
No. So we went to go pick Chrisman up at like 3 o'clock in the morning because he crashed his car and he totaled it. And on the way to pick him up, semi rock.
Damn. Goodness, you're so pretty. Let me see your dress. Hold on, I know she wants to edit with me. But let me see. Let me see your dress. So pretty. Turn around. Spin. Spin around. Good job. You're so beautiful. You want to work?
Bye.
Bye. Bye. It's not bye yet. We're not at the end of the vlog.
Bye.
Not yet. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss?
Bye.
No bye. Transition. Ready? Transition.
Where's your feet?
I don't put my feet on the.
Where's your feet? Who sits like this?
Dang. By the feet.
Asian
Boss
baby.
life right here. Hey guys, I just wanted to say hello and good night soon. Filming in 4K, so I'm not sure how this looks. I really hope it's good. But Ellie's gonna brush her teeth. You know, just family fun. Tomorrow Sylvia leaves, Vicente leaves. My sister is gone already. So it'll be, you know, pretty chill day. Back to the escape room stuff. That's the kind of goal. You wanna watch that first, K? Alright guys, good night. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Hopefully you know this already. You know,
Bye.
say bye. Blow them a kiss. Bye guys. See you guys next time. Peace. Bye. Clothes dragged out.
phones, like hangers, random things. So I for sure thought someone broke into my house.